Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about the product, overview of the versatile video coding standard and its applications. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract of the process. Video compression and encryption is an important part of information security in industries and several applications. Because the main reason is compressed data is more secure than the normal data as well as the normal image. On the other hand, it is easy to handle the data with less number of sizes. Hence, the effective data compression techniques creates an effective, secure and easy way to transfer the data. The compression algorithm technique is categorized into two types, that is the one is lossy compression and then the another one is the lossless compression. These technologies can be used in any data format such as the text file format, video file format, the image file format. In this process, we have using the video file format to enhance the encryption of the process. Here we done the encryption in the video file to improve the security by means of encrypting and then each frames by using the least significant algorithm. Hence, the performance of the parameters will be estimated by the two standard parameters, that is the peak signal to noise ratio and then MSE, that is the mean square error. By using these parameters, we can justify our process is efficient or not. Now we are going to discuss about the overall working flow of this process. This is the overall working flow. Hence, this is the modules present in this project. The first module is the input video, then pre-processing, compression and encryption, decompression and decompression, reconstruction, then finally performance parameters. These are the modules. At first, the input video is taken from the dataset. The dataset is nothing but it consists of the several video files. After getting any one video from the dataset, the pre-processing will be carried out. In this pre-processing, we have to convert the video into frames. Frames in this sense, it is the sequence of images. After converting the video into frames, it will be undergo for the next step, that is the compression. Hence, the compression and encryption will be done together. Compression is done by using the wavelets that is named as the DWT, that is the discrete wavelet transform. The output of the DWT is the four kinds of wavelet image, that is the low frequency, high frequency, low frequency and high frequency images. After compressing the data, we have to encrypt the image by using the LSB algorithm, that is the least significant bit. By using the LSB, we can encrypt the data. Hence, we have to give the key value as an input for the LSB. After the compression, we have to done the decompression and decryption by means of the inverse process of the LSB as well as the inverse process of the DWT. As well as for the encryption, we have to, in the decryption part also, we have to give the image and then the key as an input for the LSB to decrypt the image. After the decryption, the decompression will be carried out by using the inverse discrete wavelet transform. After the decompression part, the reconstruction will be carried out to reconstruct the image into one original quality. After each and every frames will be reconstructed into an original quality, it will be reconstructed into a video format and then finally the performance will be evaluated. In this performance evaluation, we have two kinds of performance evaluation is there. One is the PSNR and then the another one is the MSE. PSNR represents the peak signal to noise ratio and the MSE represents the mean square error. Now we are going to discuss about the initial running procedure of the process. At first, open the Matlab 2015B and change the current directory. If you want to execute the process, just right click in the main_GUI.m and select the option run. Now the user interface was open. In that user interface, you can see the several push buttons in the right side for the controlling actions, and then the several axes in the left side for the display purpose. First of all, click the button input video. After clicking the button input video, you have to select any one video from the dataset. After the selection of the video from the dataset, the corresponding video will be play in the axis 1. It will take some time to execute. Once the execution was started, it will be displayed in the axis 1 like this. After playing the original video in the axis 1, we have to do the pre-processing. One of the pre-processing is the frame conversion. Then the frame will be resized automatically, and then we have to give the 3 for the filtering. Now the filtered frame is shown in the axis 3. This is the resized frame, hence the resized frame is converted into an aspect ratios, as well as the filtered frame will remove the noises present in the each and every frames. After the pre-processing completion, we just go for the compression process. In this compression process, the wavelet is applied for the each and every frames, hence the wavelet frame is shown here. Here only the low frequency wavelet is applied to this compressed image. Then the compression image is automatically saved in the folder. After done the compression, we just go for the encryption process. In that encryption process, the user should give the value of the key. I just give the value as 123. Now the encrypted frame is shown in the axis 5. The encryption frame does not having the structurized data. After the encryption completed, we just move on to the decompression part. In the decompression part, the decompressed image which looks like a wavelet image. The reason is the encrypted image will be again decrypted to get the wavelet image. Now after getting this image, we have to decompress the image into an original size. This is the decompressed results, hence the decompressed results and then the original videos will be the most similar. Now we just get into checking the performance estimation. Now the performance parameters of the process will be shown in the graph format, hence the PSNR plot will be the higher for each and every frames. Now the MSE plot will be lower, hence the error rate of the process will be decreased. Now the average of PSNR is 80, average of MSE is 0.00 something.